Hello again. This is a quick review of the Milwaukee socket sets. I've got a quarter drive socket set here. I like these sets. You can lift it out of the box like that if you want to put it in a toolbox, or you can put it back in the holder. These sockets are nice because they're square on the drive end, so they do roll, but it's supposed to prevent it rolling. The writing on it is quite clear. Yeah, they feel quite good. You probably, when you turn it with your hands, it's nice to grip if you want to use your hands to turn the socket. Ratchet's quite nice. I'm not sure what tooth that is on there, but that feels nice. Feels good. That's got deep sockets from 5mm to 5mm with a 5.5 in it. And then you've got shallow sockets from 5mm again up to 15. Yeah, you've got two extensions in there. And you've got a UJ. So that's a quarter drive set there. This one is a 3/8 set. Same thing, the plastic thing will lift out if you want it to. Nice ratchet. Comes with two extensions like before. That's from 6mm to 19 on the deep. It looks like 6mm to 19 in the shallow. Also comes with a UJ, very similar to the Halfus one. Nice, I like the way that's set out, that one. It's quite nice. It's plastic, so you ain't going to get ruined really when you're out on the road working with it. That's that one. This one hasn't got a handle, the smaller set, but it's okay.